Understanding with an itchy throat, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, with an itchy throat. Understanding such phrases is crucial for not only improving your English fluency but also for communicating more effectively in everyday situations. Let's dive into what this phrase means, its usage, and some examples to help you master it. With an itchy throat refers to a sensation inside the throat that causes discomfort and often leads to a desire to cough or clear one's throat. This feeling can be caused by various factors, including allergies, dry air, or the onset of a cold or illness. Understanding this phrase is key for English learners because it's commonly used in both formal and informal contexts to describe a physical condition in a simple way. You can use with an itchy throat in several scenarios. Whether you're explaining how you feel to a doctor, discussing symptoms of a cold with friends, or simply describing your condition in a diary or personal journal, this phrase is both descriptive and succinct. It's important to use it in appropriate contexts to ensure clear and effective communication. Formal context. When speaking with healthcare professionals or in any situation that requires a precise description of your symptoms. Informal context. When chatting with friends or family about how you're feeling, especially if you think you might be getting sick. To help you better understand how to use with an itchy throat, let's look at some examples. 1. I woke up with an itchy throat this morning. I hope I'm not coming down with a cold. 2. After walking in the park during pollen season, I often end up with an itchy throat. 3. Can you recommend a good remedy for dealing with an itchy throat? It's been bothering me all day. These examples show how the phrase can be naturally incorporated into everyday conversation, making your English sound more fluent and natural. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, with an itchy throat. Remember, mastering such phrases will greatly enhance your English communication skills, making you feel more confident in expressing yourself. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use with an itchy throat in your conversations when relevant. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next lesson together.